going on YouTube? GeoSn right here. Yesterday I talked about an application called QuickSign, which is going to be a side-loading application allowing you to install jailbreak applications and emulators and stuff like that directly on your phone without a computer. You can sign the applications directly on your device, like Uncover and Dopamine Jailbreak and any jailbreak you would like. Free and open source. It's meant to be essentially an open source alternative to eSign. Well, this one is in development, and since yesterday they got even more developers working on it, which is definitely nice. But now I'm hearing that another developer in the community, BrocoDev, is also working on an alternative to that called Prism. And it looks pretty nice too. This is how it looks like. This is the UI. Definitely a terrific UI. I love both of these. They look amazing. And this one essentially does the same thing, but it also has some additional features according to Broco, and that would be the added icon theming. But by the looks of it, it's also including some iOS customization part in it. There seems to also be an Explore tab inside their application like this, which essentially allows you to install small tweaks without jailbreak on your device. Various ways to tweak your device. You'll have emulators in here. This is going to be the Explore tab where you would get various suggestions for various tweaks for your lock screen, for quality of life. Broco says in here, quote, Explore page for my iOS third-party app store and customization app. From the last post, I fixed the tab bar, banner blur, and progressive blur. So both of these applications are currently in development, and the teams seem to be pretty interested into adding as more features as possible. And of course, with the EU making sideloading a real deal on iOS and forcing Apple to allow sideloading on iOS by law, it's nice to see this kind of applications popping up and, looking very good, looking professionally made. Now, a lot of you asked me whether this is going to be like TrollStore. No, it's not like TrollStore. You can still install applications, you can sideload them, and you can import your own developer certificate inside both of these applications. They allow you to, have your certificates, sign the app, like jailbreak applications and other open source apps. Please use responsibly. But these are not applications like TrollStore that would install an app forever. Still, they are legit third-party app stores in the true sense of a third-party app store, what the European Union intended when they meant third-party app stores, not the version that Apple understood, that is completely vetted by Apple. So these are nice things to see. I'm actually quite curious about the customization part on Broco's application. I'm curious to see what kind of tweaks it has and if they require any sort of exploits, if they are compatible with newer versions or older versions of iOS. But this is going to be interesting, and I actually do advise you to keep an eye on both of these applications to see their development. Thank you for watching. I am GeoSn. Peace out.